All right, spoiler alert. This is some pretty intense equipment to pave my driveway. I was thinking they were going to do it all by hand with, dump the wheelbarrow and all that good stuff and then roll it like this. But they're going to do most of the driveway with this guy. I was told by the driver of this trailer that we're probably looking at $210,000 worth of equipment. And you got your roller. It's pretty cool. So it's going down, my friends. They started the job yesterday, came in today and finished with the crushed stone, so on and so forth. This is some pretty big equipment. And we are coming, we're going to show you the finished product. So in other words, all the crushed stone. So today on day 2, what they did was put the tarp down, or they're calling it a stabilizer. So the rock on top of the stabilizer will stop the rock from going into clay and causing divots. So that's kind of how that works. So what we're looking at now is the crushed stone. They still got to do this part here. And here we go. This is the finished product. All the crushed stone. So they're going to roll this out apparently. Flatten it way down. And in my mind, I wonder, how do you get the holes and the potholes that occur? And what could go wrong? Why is that? Could it be a pile of stones that is in one place and, I don't know. Or maybe they didn't put down the stabilizer tarp. So here we go. This was day 2. They did a lot of work. Day 2, they essentially put down all this stone on top of the stabilizer. And they're going to pave next. Day 1, they did the excavating, which was pretty darn tricky. He moved so skillfully and fast. I think his name is Randy. Especially when he was twisting and turning in this little area here. He'd flip his thing around, nothing got hit. I was kind of concerned with the steps. You can see they're kind of floating at this point. So I'll have to stabilize that once they're done. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and upload this one. And again, there's going to be a lot of videos. Pick and choose what you want to watch. If you're anything like me, you want to watch as much as you possibly can for a process. The more you're videoing, the more you're going to see, and you may not notice if you just did one video all the things that transpire. Now we do have a storm coming in around 6 o'clock, I believe. I'm told they'll be done, and it shouldn't be an issue. Naturally, for the last couple of days, I've been very nervous about the rain. So it didn't rain, thank you Jesus. Didn't rain yesterday. Continue to pray with Belev. Shem Adonai, praying to the Lord that things go fine.